the brand new video. Yeah, it's nighttime. Let's see it's nighttime.
Hindi, exalt ako.
It is. And I buy a lot. A lot. I get to buy a lot.
Kumayan na si Dinit, kaso butas yung ano mo? Yung butas ba yan?
Ang spaghetti lahat.
Ganyan talaga yan.
Opo, kasi mabilis pag, S3.
Kumayan na si Dinit?
Ano?
Kumayat na ba yan?
Oh,
Lahat spaghetti na.
okay, we got these ones.
Fine.
We're like in the city
Asan na yung ano?
because they're the log.
Oh, lahat talaga
They
spaghetti.
might be in the forest. We got another guy shooting in the forest. Oh, this guy's pretty cool. He's throwing a
Ay,
grenade.
wala na yan.
Well, next to a light pole. That's cool. I like that. I got magnetic blocks so I can.
Ito? Ito
Oh
sa'yo?
yes.
No!
I thought they were real. The real ones don't have orange tips, but the fake ones have orange tips.
Nandiyan na ba siya?
And I have been here. We got this little guy. Oh, in them last video. And we also take gun. And we get 3 bullets. Now let's take the 3.
Nangiram lang ako pera. Ate, nangiram lang ako pera kaya man dito.
We need to
Wala na akong pera.
my aunt. My aunt is here.
Ewan ko yung mami na ate, oh. Namili.
I think that's my aunt or am I wrong?
Ikaw yung ganda yun. Ay, dyan paro.
I like yan.
Sa'yo na lang yun.
Sometimes I say Filipino words
Ay, yung kao na.
in my videos, so if you're Filipino, please understand my things I'm saying. And if you also know English,
Pati damit, isama mo
how
na.
to open it?
Opo.
Okay, okay.
Meow. Asan yung sa inyo? Mang, maganda naman yun.
Over there.
Ewan kayo.
Oh my god. Wait, that one. It's not one that we opened. But the real priority. I'm in 3 minutes in, and I only have 2 progress. Okay, we got the school room. Yeah, the thing actually moves. Now we got this cool 8. No, this looks like a armored vehicle. We got the armored vehicle. And I did a lot of mess here. I am gonna fix this. So we got the 2. We gotta go up outside. It scared me.
Pati niya.
Pinakamababa rito 70. Di magpiraso, akin yung piraso maliit.
Hindi yan, ano yan, yung Salinas
Salinas?
yan.
Salinas.
Nandun pa po, gagawa pa ako
Mahal yung galunggong.
Kahit na, mahal talaga sila magbito. Dati ka, binabargain lang.
Pwede ka naman magtinda ngayon dyan, ah. Sa...
Parang tayo ito.
Hindi kaya masira yun ang bukas. Ay, hindi masisira yan ang bukas. Ay, yan din yung ano.
Tira ko mo kanina. Ako, may tayo yung ko.
Oh,
Pabili niya.
Bye. Like and subscribe.